I'm Danny O'Brien from New York City. I've just gone through a big life change and it looks like this. So come on inside. Well, this is a 2001 Thomas Freightliner. It's 38 feet long, 11 windows. A lot of people count the windows. And I had the guys at Blue Ridge Conversions build this, and I worked with them. I spent 2 years designing the interior, including lots of the materials and things. And basically I wanted a cabin that had a clean kind of Danish design to it. And I wanted to have the idea of like some separate rooms, like zones. So it's full of wood, ponderosa pine, and some oak on the floor, and then these are kind of pallet kind of boards that have been cut. And this piece here opens out into about a full-size bed. I have 2 drawers here that open, and I have some storage under here. Like everybody else, we use every inch of space for storage. This is a desk that I had for many years that we basically just cut to fit, and it will fold down against the wall. There's a bench underneath it that I can pull out. I can actually pull the desk off the wall and into the middle of the room so people can sit all the way around. I'm in the process of finishing my curtains with my sewing machine. But one of the things I also wanted was to have my books with me. So I have lots of book storage here. I've got more in the bedroom. Behind you I have shelves that I wanted to keep open so that it would give the feel of some more space, and there's more books under there. And continuing on, I have the dwarf 4K stove, which has been a fantastic lifesaver, actually, living in Maine for 4 months in the cold. Here I have some spice storage, and then this is pantry space. One of the fun things of this design, according to the builder, was this block of closet and storage. I have my corkboard where I put all kinds of things on there, and this is just an open shelf here. All the lights are on dimmer. You know, your standard kind of, this is pretty much an RV kind of stove and oven. But all the basics of, you know, that you'd want in a kitchen. I have more storage than I need. The fridge, actually, there's a guy here called Wonderboom. And I got from him the idea of how to put the fridge in. Same fridge as they have. Pulls out and cold stays in. Very efficient design. I love it. It's I have 1280 watts of solar collection on the roof, and 4 lithium-ion batteries in the garage in the back, and it seems to keep that running constantly with no problem. Oak countertops. This is something that people like. Also, like I said, the builder loved this. I've designed lots of closet space. There's 12-inch shelves in the back too. And then, of course, these drawers are 3 feet deep, and I actually don't have enough clothes for them. Continuing back, this is a step up because this is where the back wheels are, so it's the wheel well. Here's the bedroom. I should probably get out of your way. Go ahead and do a little pan in the bedroom. That is the most comfortable bed I've ever had. More books.
Can't have enough books.
Yeah. And then I'll show you my bathroom here. It's a wet bath with red cedar and composting toilet.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it works really wonderfully. Very happy with this design. So that's about it on the inside. The guys at, I can't say enough about the people at Blue Ridge Conversions, Jeff and Stacy and Quentin. and Chris, they did an amazing job of giving me what I wanted. It was a pretty complicated design.
Yep.
But it's home. It is really my home.
Right.
Very happy.
Thank you. It's a beautiful bus.
Well, thank you.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that video of that great Skoolie, and in the coming weeks there'll be more. So please, I will see you next Saturday for a tour of another Skoolie. Steampunk Steve saying, see you on the road.